One of the biggest challenges of new data analysts that they start up their data career with Python. Python is an amazing programming language. It is used for web software development, mobile application, data science, artificial intelligence. It's actually a go-to tool for anything that has to do with artificial intelligence and data analysis. However, when we talk about businesses want you to easily pick up a data set, analyze it, and give them solution as fast as with Python. When compared to the no code or low code tool, you spend a lot of time trying to come up with a dashboard or cleaning up data sets, coming up with a dashboard compared to when you are using things like Excel or Power BI, Tableau. You are likely going to deliver value, deliver quality, and even deliver them in a record time compared to using Python. And this brings me to what should be your best stack as a data analyst. Now, when you're coming up as a data analyst, the place to start is not Python. And today I'm going to explain to you the right data stack for you. The number one data stack for you is Excel. Now, let us face it, every business out there uses Excel. You cannot find any business that does not use Excel. Now, the thing about it is, somehow most products that companies use tend to download their data in CSV or in Excel. So even if the data is downloaded in CSV, you're likely going to use Excel to open up that data for it to easily be read. So what am I trying to say? You are going to definitely need Excel. You can use your Excel for data entry, for data collection. You can use your Excel for data collection. You can use it for analysis, cleaning up the data, preparing the data. You can use your Excel to build your dashboard. The thing is, from data collection to the dashboard, Excel gives you a complete package. So that's the beauty of using it. And it's always so it's not just that it gives you a complete package. It usually comes packaged with your Microsoft Office. So you are not paying for Excel separately. When you paid for your Microsoft Office too, you paid for Excel the same time. So why not use it? And that's why many companies use it. And when you find yourself in a job, you notice that they can't just run away from using Excel. Now, the next thing I am going to talk about is the home of data. Talking about the home of data, everyone knows that the original home of data is a relational database. And to be able to get this data the way you want it from a relational database, you are going to need a structured query language. And then SQL is the language that is used to query data from a relational database. And most data sets live in a relational database. So you are definitely going to need SQL. And what's my recommendation for SQL? I will strongly recommend that you use SQL Server. SQL Server is a go-to tool. And in line with Microsoft Excel, you notice that there are some similarities in the functions you're going to use in Microsoft Excel and the SQL Server. Now let's go to the next thing, and that is the main thing, the elephant in the building, and that is your BI tool. Now the BI tool, it's business BI. By BI I mean business intelligence tool. Of all the BI tools, Power BI stands out. Power BI is afar off. It's a distance from the next challenger, which is Tableau. So Power BI is like the industry standard for everything that has to do with BI, from data collection, data preparation, cleaning, building data model, up to the visual, up to building report, and even uploading it up there on Power BI service to build a renowned dashboard. Power BI gives you everything you need. So let's summarize this. You should start your data journey with Excel, and from Excel you go to SQL. From SQL you wrap it up with Power BI. The truth about is that when you start with these three tools, you likely stand a chance to get a job in the market than when you start with Python. So to break into the industry, you need Excel, you need Power BI, you need SQL. And now these three tools has the capability, it has the capa- now these three tools has the capacity to land you a job as fast as possible. Small and medium-sized companies make up the highest number of companies out there. And these companies are likely going to start off with Excel. And of course, they are going to likely have their data in a relational database. So if this is true, then you begin to understand where I am coming from. These companies are going to be like these companies are going to likely be your go-to companies when you are applying for your first data analyst job. Your first data analyst job, it's unlikely going to be in Facebook, in Google, or in Microsoft. There will be those small and medium scale enterprise. Those are the ones that are likely going to give you that your job. And if this is true, that is where Excel, SQL, and Power BI are the go-to tools for you to start up your career. And when you start from this position, you are likely going to scale into Python, R, or any other tools that is used for data. Thank you.